all caked in the tires. I'm
Yeah.
filming again. It is really cool looking out here. It's just everything's covered in a few inches of snow. But it's a little hard and scary to try to film while we're moving. So this is just us sitting still, checking out the snowage. Yes, I said snowage. And that's where we were just stuck, in the mud.
Yeah, look at the tree. It's really windy.
Everything's snow covered from this view, because that's the way the snow is blowing.
Oh yeah. It's
Alright. Well, I'm at 46 seconds.
yeah, we're not going to be able to film the rest because I don't want to get stuck again. So we're going to try to keep a pretty good speed around the rest of it.
Yes.
So
Alright.
enjoying the snowstorm out here.
It's more enjoyable that I got off work early too.
Yeah.